Today I'm making avocado milk smoothie with honey. Filled with the good fats, it has a gentle rich flavor, mixed in with milky creaminess and slight natural sweetness of honey. This recipe is for 1 serving, perfect for a breakfast smoothie. First, cut 180 grams of avocado, or about 1 piece. Carefully guide the knife around the avocado. This avocado is quite ripe, slightly soft. Then twist. No matter how tempting, do not use the knife to remove the seed in any way. Use a spoon to gently scoop it out. Oops! The seed roll away. If your avocado is slightly softer, you can even bend the sides to remove the seed. Let's make the avocado milk smoothie. Fill the blender with 350 ml of ice cubes. Add 30 ml or 2 tablespoons of honey. 15 ml or 1 tablespoon of condensed milk. 30 ml or 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. 50 ml or 3.5 tablespoons of fresh milk. And a pinch of salt, or just about 1/16 teaspoon. With the same metal spoon, scoop up the avocado flesh from the skin directly into the blender. Scrape every bit from the spoon. Cover the blender and start the machine. Blend for about 1 to 1.5 minutes or until fully combined and smooth. Pour it all into a tall glass. Add a straw and enjoy. Let's try it. Brain freeze. It's first creamy and milky, then with a rich avocado flavor and subtle honey aftertaste. So good. Enjoy. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.